Hi my friends, today we model this part, not as a sheet metal part, but a normal part. Here is the drawing. We start by creating this internal contour with dimensions as you see here. We start by using this dimensioned construction, and don't forget the thickness is 0.7 for this part. New standard millimeters IPT, XY plane. We draw a vertical line of 9.9. This is the center line. Then we draw that mentioned lines. Vertical, keep press the left button, go to horizontal, go here, then up, sloped. These two ends are aligned. This is also aligned with the center point. Then dimensions. This is 24 diameter. This is 57. Radius 1. 35. And 8 millimeters is this. We apply offset for the thickness of 0.7. Then we place fillet of 1.7 here and minus 0.7 here. We connect these two lines and these two, but the last one must be placed on vertical, as in the drawing. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, revolve. Okay. Next is this cut of 20. You see here. We use the plane YZ and we move it to the right. This means positive of 20. Split tool, the cutter tool is this plane. Then we don't want to lose this zone, but the other one. Okay, we hide this plane and we see here 5 at 45, a chamfer, and we have the edge to apply this chamfer. 5 millimeters to both sides. Okay. Next are these three protrusions. You see, dimensions are here. 2.2 is the diameter, 90, 1.4. The thickness is the thickness of the part, 0.7. We use XY plane, F7, then we create a sketch. Line, up, down, back. I project this line to make collinear these two. This is the axis, center line. Now we use this diameter of 5 and this angle of 14, but also the distance to the center point of this axis, not as a linear diameter, but as a distance, simple distance. 23 is this. Finish sketch, revolve, everything is known, and we select the option of cut. Next sketch is also in the plane XY, F7. We copy something from this former sketch. It is this vertical line and also this line. We hide that sketch and we have these two lines. Draw a line starting from here. We hover on this to obtain a parallel and a horizontal. This dimension is 1.4. Trim to cut this, and we place that dimension of 2.2 only as confirmation of this. The thickness is 0.7, of course. And let's see what is here. Oh, we have to cut this end. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, revolve, not as a cut. We select the profile. This is the profile. The axis is known. And we apply join, not cut. Okay. Now we multiply these last two features, 1, 2, as a circular pattern. The axis is this. The number is 3. The covered angle is 180. But with midplane. this is the midplane for the two new protrusions. There are also 3 holes on this cylindrical face. Dimensions are 3 for the distance and 2.2 for the 3 holes. We use this plane XY for a new sketch. To do this, we use 2 planes. This is placed at a level of 3, and the axis is at the intersection of the plane. Visibility, visibility, and you see that axis. Then I place a point on that axis and the cylinder. You see here that point. Hole, this point, this axis, 2.2, and to this surface. Okay. We hide both work point and work axis. Then the new same solution like before, but using 60 degrees, twice 60, for the placement of that other 2 holes. Circular pattern of the last feature about this axis, a number of 3 instances, and here is 60 multiplied by 2. With midplane. Now you see what happens here. Okay. The volume, eye properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is just the same. Cancel. We keep the former value, and we apply material steel carbon, no edges, and default lights. Now you can compare the two and you see they are the same. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.